A teenager accused of causing a deadly car crash faced a judge for the first time today. The court appearance coming after a second victim, a 4-year-old little girl, died from her injuries from that crash.
Just horrific. That 13-year-old suspected driver is now facing 13 charges, including 2 counts of felony murder. Woodland police say the boy was driving a stolen car erratically and fleeing from officers when he got into a crash on Saturday. 43-year-old Tina Vital and her 4-year-old granddaughter Adelina were killed in that crash. This is a picture of them together. 9 others were also hurt, and 2 of the other victims are Vital's adult children. Their family spoke with us today.
KCRA 3's Michelle Bandor was in court. It was a difficult day, as you can imagine, for the families, right, Michelle?
Well, Lisa and Ty, yes, this was a very emotional day for both families. The victim's family, who found out just this morning that they lost 4-year-old Adelina to her injuries, as well as for the 13-year-old suspect's family. They want him released to their custody, but he pled not guilty today to all of the charges, and he's still in Yolo County's juvenile justice. The family, who has been here at the scene, many people putting flowers here at the scene with this growing memorial. The victim's family call for that suspect to face charges as an adult. The Yolo County court proceedings overwhelm the mother of the 13-year-old suspect. An ambulance is called after she collapses in the courtroom. The boy's other family members sobbed in court as he appeared before the judge in juvenile court, handcuffed in a wheelchair, wearing a neck brace.
You're going to do adult things, you should pay the adult price.
Tina Vital's brothers and relatives of her 4-year-old granddaughter Adelina were also in juvenile court. They want the suspect punished for the 13 counts in adult court, but California law says he will stay in juvenile court.
Tina, she was lying there on the street. This boy, thinking he's grown enough to get behind a wheel at 13 and disregard his parents and laws and anything. He should be tried on adult. He was doing adult things.
The family is also sad to lose 2 precious family members and worry about 2 other victims, Tina's adult children, who are still in the hospital with serious injuries. They say it's a crash that never should have happened.
We lost people we loved. This is so horrible. Like, this is not right. He shouldn't just get a slap on the wrist.
And again, back out live here with the growing memorial for the victims at this intersection where the crash happened. The victims' family say Tina's children will have a long recovery from their injuries. Now, the family had been at a cousin's funeral earlier in the day, and then they were on their way to a movie when they got hit in the intersection here. Reporting live in Woodland, Michelle Bandor, KCRA 3 News.
And Michelle, really quickly, back to the court proceedings. There was some discussion over detention. What came of all that?
Sure, today was supposed to be the arraignment and a detention hearing, but the suspect's lawyer asked for the detention hearing to be held at a separate time because the family wants him placed in his custody while all the court proceedings and the trial takes place. However, as you heard, the victim's family doesn't want him released. They say the streets are not safe with the suspect back out there. So the judge actually said she saw a need for detention and that the suspect is beyond parental control. All of this will be decided at a later detention hearing coming up later this month.